Hey guys, I'm really happy to see all of you here today. I'm Ha from Harvard University and I'm so excited to be hosting this webinar. As you can see here, this webinar includes 5 main sessions. Well, let's kick off with a quick poll. Please raise your hand if you have used ChatGPT or image generation. Right. Whether you raise your hand or not, you are about to see why these songs are just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine the world where machine can paint like Picasso, write like Shakespeare, and compose like Mozart. This is the reality of generative AI. But what exactly it is? Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new and orig- original content such as text, images, audio, or even video based on patterns and structure learned from training data. Let me show you some interesting examples to make it easier for you to understand. This is the super cute panda that I generated by the technology. And this is the prompt that I used to generate to this image. Now let's move to the audio generation.
Hello and welcome to my webinar. I hope you find the content informative and enjoyable.
Can you see it? It's quite natural, right? And this is the video that's generated by technology. So this technology is not just growing, it's booming with exponential increases in AI publication, business adoptions, and market size projection. Let's explore how this transformative technology impacts business operation and the job market. Well, let me show you how generative AI is turning the business world on its head. In the area of interior designing, remember the old days of home redesign? Traditionally, you had to build a designer, wait for availability, discuss ideas, wait some more, give feedback, and then wait again. But now it's like you've hit fast forward on the whole process. Just take a photo and redesign it in seconds. The question is, who benefits from it? It's not just one group, it's the whole party. Real estate agents, homeowners, interior designers, businesses, event planner, and many others are all set to the benefits. Now let's look at another example together of how companies are using generative AI. We're gonna see how it being used to assist employees or improve customer service experiences. You may have probably heard about the term personalized chatbot before, right? It's a computer application that communicates with humans through natural language, whether in text or voice, just like human through natural language. But can work 24/7 and can speak in hundreds of languages. Sounds cool, right? Let's see how it works. Nowadays, these AI chatbots are trained to learn from company data such as internal document, legal document, and reports, meeting transcript, knowledge base, and so on. So they can answer any questions related to the company. Now, employees don't have to wait for hours to get answers from their bosses, supervisors. Just they can just ask the AI chatbot and get the answer instantly. Super cool, right? Need a meeting transcript or a summary? Just ask them, and boom, you get the answer you want immediately. If you don't know how to fill out the company form, just add and you get the tip, instruction, AI, thanks to the AI. AI chatbot can also learn from the company website, allowing them to consult customers on product and answer user queries all the time, and never get tired or grumpy with your customer. Need to buy a product but can't be bothered to search for a discount code or refund policy, just ask the AI bots and you'll get the answer. Now, let's move to another example. You may love this one. I guess most of you here have used Microsoft Excel at least once, right? We can do wide range of tasks with Excel, from basic calculation to create beautiful dashboard to doing analysis. Now, with the latest AI generation in Excel, I think your productivity is about to take a huge leap. The possible The possible use cases seems endless to me. Let's take a look at the video to see it in the action. You can literally add it to do anything you want in your own world, like add it to do interpret a chart, summarize some numbers, or even draw insight from data. And the best part, you can do it all in the right side Excel as if you are pair working with a colleague to get the job done. In this chart, you can see that generative AI have a significant impact on various corporate functions in terms of dollar value. Sales could be affected by around $500 billion, marketing by around 480, customer operation by around $400 billion, and even technical areas like software engineering. But it's not just about efficiency and cost reduction. It also reshaping the job market as it automates repetitive tasks or low skill positions. Like you can see here, cashier, bookkeeping, and payroll clerks. And new roles are created also, uh, shifting the focus on higher value work like specialists, AI machine learning specialists, a sustainability specialist, and a business intelligence analysis. In this closure session, we will explore the key element needed to thrive in the increasingly AI-driven world. I'll focus on three main areas: skill set, mindset, and tool set. To succeed in an AI-driven world, you need to develop both technical and soft skills. Understand AI's capability is crucial. It's like having a new team member. You need to know its strengths and weaknesses first. For example, while AI can generate content at lightning speed, it's not good at reasoning or providing reliable factual information. That's where we oversight come in. Knowing how to create good prompts can make a difference between receiving nonsensical results and valuable insight. In this AI-driven world, your uniquely human skills are your superpower. Create critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability are your protection against artificial intelligence. While AI can process information, it can, at least until now, copy human empathy, creativity, or complex decision making. I don't think the right mindset is essential for succeeding alongside AI. Think of AI as a tool that improves your work instead of a threat. Find ways to use AI in your tasks and focus on developing unique human skills. Embracing lifelong learning isn't just a good idea, it's as essential as breathing in this AI-driven world. Stay updated on the AI development like your career depending on it, because it does. It's never been easier to stay updated with new knowledge. Platforms like Coursera offers over 500 resources for generative AI course to choose from, making it convenient to expand your skills, right? To leverage AI effectively, you need to familiarize yourself with some generative AI applications. Start small, try using AI for content ideation, data analysis, or even coding assistance. As you get more comfortable, you'll find more and more ways to integrate AI in your workflow, boosting your productivity and creativity. By, by focusing on these areas, skill sets, mindset, and tool set, you will be well equipped to succeed in the AI-driven world. As we wrap up, remember this, the AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. Businesses are integrating AI into their workflow faster than you can say. Digital transformation. By, by developing key skills, adopting a growth mindset, and leveraging AI tools, you thrive in an AI-driven world. Remember, the key is to view AI as a powerful collaborator rather than a competitor. Explore AI tools, build your skill, and unlock your potential in this exciting new area of generative AI. Now let's open the floor for you to your questions. Feel free to ask about any concerns you might have. To give you more time to think about your question, I start by addressing some most common questions I received from registration form. The first question is, can you share a surprising application of generative AI that most people might not be aware of? Well, this question quite is like difficult to me, so I had to do a research a lot, and I found some really interesting one. It's like Google just introduced TSLMM. I would type it in the chat box for you to easier to understand. TSLMM is a generative AI model for drug discovery. It's cool because it gives us an idea and we can use it to research more to discover some really innovative idea. And the second question is, are there any upcoming trends in generative AI that you're particularly excited about? Well, I have to say that I'm really excited about video generation and voice cloning as they enable me to create videos in different languages using my own voice for various audience. This technology has opened up a lot of opportunities for creating teaching and demonstration videos. Do you have any other questions? Please raise your hand.
Yeah, me.
Uh, yes, no, please. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
so I have a question. Right now I am a student, so how can students showcase their AI skill to potential employer if they don't have a work experience?
Wow, it's kind of interesting question because, well, let me think of it. Okay, I just show you my experience. Okay, Well, firstly, if you've taken any courses related to AI tools, as I showed before, it's like in Coursera, as I showed before, be sure to highlight them in your CV. Secondly, if you don't have a work experience, don't worry, you can start building it now. Consider applying your AI skill to class project uh, or personal activities. Then showcase them in your CV by clearly describing your AI-driven work, the result you achieved, and the lesson you learned along the way. I think the most important key point is the lessons you learn along the way.
Okay, I think it's a good idea. Thank you.
Thank you for your questions. Uh, uh, Nguyễn Phát Phương Linh, please.
I really love your topic about AI, and I have the questions that can you provide tips on using AI tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E for someone new to AI? Thank you.
Thank you so much for the question. Well, I think the best way to learn new things is to start by getting familiar with them, like just play around them. Begin by finding introductory tutorials on YouTube that we can find is really easy nowadays, blog posts or other online resources. This will give you a basic idea of how to use the tool and its potential applications. If you think the tool could benefit your work, save your time, and boost your productivity, then it's worth investing more time and learn it deeper, right? At this point, you can explore more higher level online courses, such as on Coursera or Google or Udemy. Also, you can consider working on personal projects or even in your university project that involve using it. By doing, by doing so, I think you learn as you go and sharpen your skills and the process.
Thank you.
Yes, pardon, please.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So nice talk, by the way. Can you go back to the introduction slide? Okay, I see you have some charts in the introduction slide. Can you discuss a little bit about it? The the introduction slide. Next, go next. The next one, I think. The next one. Yes. This chart. Can you talk about it?
Oh, thank you. As you guys can see, that's a number of AI publication in the world from 2000, 2010 and to 2022. You can see that it's significantly increased, right? By the number of AI publication only compared to the from 2010 to 2017, it just slightly increased, but from 2018 to 2022, it's significantly increased. Just a number of AI publication, and here, as you can see, that from 2017 to 2024 considers the organization that have adopted AI in at least one business function. We can see that it's sharply increased. And this is mentioned to the generative AI market size from projection from 2023 to 2033. Only it shows us that this technology is booming with the exponential increase in the technology.
Thank you for your explanation. In the chart, so it means that this is forecasting, right?
Yes, it's just forecasting, because the as you can see here that the start is 2023, from 2023 to 2033, based on the current speed of development.
Thank you. So it means that AI in the future is booming, like you said, right?
Yes, exactly, because as you can see that now AI is everywhere. Everyone is talking about AI, right? It's like our future. We need to adapt it and utilize it as our assistant to help us to do it. Like more big thing that AI cannot do. Okay, Hoa Dương, please.
Okay, thank you. I have another question. So you are a student, right?
Yes, currently I'm a third year student, and my major in accounting. Not my major is not is and it's something like related to AI, but I'm really interested in AI development, so I research a lot to share with you guys here about my knowledge and my research.
Okay. I just want to add that because you are a student right now, so I wonder, how do you use AI in your school? What kind of task do you use? How does it help?
Wow, I use this a lot. It's like it's mean in almost every single subject I do use it to help me to solve the problems. Like in when I receive an assignment topic, I research it on the internet for some keywords, and then I ask it to give me outline some outline that and then after receives after receive some outline, I place on that outline and I research further on the internet from from scholar to check whether it is correct or not. And more importantly, because English is my second language, so I think it's really I most of you guys here also face a problem like me. It is grammar error, right? I use this for grammar correction as well.
Super cool. But how, what do you think about ethic in using AI? For example, if I use, for example, let's say if I use ChatGPT to help me in my writing, for example, and my professor said that I plagiarize or I use AI without any preference. And what do you think about that?
That's the tough one that I never ever think about it before. But now in my university is where when before we submit our assignment and our project, we need to check on the team, turn it in and make sure it's a the AI percentage is it's like lower than 30%. But I couldn't sure that it is correct or not. But it's so this is the so so that's why I need to is a self check. And when for example when I use AI for creating an outline, I think it's better to credit it. It's like you use ChatGPT for create an outline for creating outline, and this is also an limitation of it is related to the ethical concerns of the around this form.
Okay, thank you. So it means that we need to use AI. I mean, specifically ChatGPT, a bit carefully, right? Because so now, so we have to use it and double check the result from AI, because the result is not reliable. But AI is very good at creating creative solution. So we may borrow that uh, ability, and then we have to self check the content by ourselves. So I think that is a good way to use AI, right? Okay. By the way, thank you.
Oh, exactly. I think you really like you know about this topic very well. I learned from it a lot. Thank you so much. And I think it's also the limitation of generative AI because it can create everything for use like from text or image or video, but it cannot provide factual information. So we need to check again before using it. Like whenever before I use it, I also double check it on Google or on Google Scholar before using it. Do you have any further questions? If you don't have any further question, let's stop here. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for being here, and I really appreciate your time and your attention. And please take a few seconds to complete satisfaction survey for me, please. It's really it's really valuable for me to improve my future webinar. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Thank you.
Goodbye.